Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Express for LinkedIn banner designs, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Adobe Express. Press enter to navigate to the Adobe Express homepage. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will see options to sign in with different accounts. Choose your preferred login method, either with Adobe ID, Google, or Facebook. If you select Adobe ID, enter your email address and password. Click the Sign In button. If you use Google or Facebook, follow the prompts to authenticate. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Adobe Express dashboard. Look for the option to create a new project. Click on the Create New button. From the available templates, search for LinkedIn banner designs. Select a design that resonates with your brand or style. Customize the template as needed. Change text, images, and colors to match your vision. Once finished, preview your design. If satisfied, click the Download button to save your banner. Choose the appropriate file format and resolution for LinkedIn. Save the file to your computer. You're now ready to upload your LinkedIn banner design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.